The future of racing is electric. This new Formula E car has just dominated the competition. Witness the incredible performance as it effortlessly overtakes its rivals, showcasing the power of electric technology. With this win, the team behind this innovative vehicle proves that sustainability and speed can go hand in hand. Listen to the excitement and pride from the team who made this possible. This is more than a victory, it's a glimpse into the future of motorsport. Congratulations to the team. The future of racing is here and it's electric. Like to save this video for later and make sure to like and subscribe.